Hello, I'm Nandan. As a fashion designer, today I want to give you the guideline. They are studying fashion studies in CBSE class 12. Okay, so this is just a guideline like this one. This on a first page. Just you just write down fashion studies, but this guideline is don't take it this way that I'm just give you this way. This depends on you how you will create. This one is just a concept that you can do this way. Fashion studies and this is the second page. I will try to give you the guideline page wise. Second page, this page you will mention your name, roll number, with subject, and decoration presentation. That depends on you. Actually, this field means is it's a depends on you how we will introduce. It's a not need that you have to follow some basic rules. Okay, so this way it depends on you how we'll do that. Okay, so this one second page, your roll number, your details. Things is your student details. Okay, and the next page, introduction. Yes, about subject, fashion studies, and of course, based on your introduction, this things is basically writing parts and depend on you which things will write down there. That's introduction. Actually, everything is depends on you. Your presentation. Actually, this subject is this. Your creativity based on, and so this way you can do the introduction. This on third page, your introduction, and please try to maintain your own handwriting. And this one your acknowledgement. These things also same things. Small write down, but please mention your handwriting. And if it's possible to cursive handwriting, cursive handwriting look like very nice. For presentation is very it's good. So you can it depends on you. You cannot use, but better to use your own handwriting. Okay, so this one your third page, some heading with the color, and then dress form. Dress form basically is based on pattern cutting field. Dress form, you have to mention the measurement wise. Chest measurement, shoulder measurement, chest or bust is the same here. Chest or bust measurement, waist measurement, length, which one the length, not the measurement, which one the length, which one shoulder, which one waistline, which portion is another one. This page, this one is measuring chart. Yes, measuring chart, size wise. Whatever CBSE follow measuring chart. Basically, they mention whatever, you just follow this one. And this one is history of costume to modern dress. Yes, what is how history inspired you, and through this history of costume, you have to create or you have to represent a new. Your creation should be a modern dress. That's on you. And this one pattern portion, this page, basic bodies block. Yes, basic bodies block rules, how you will create or how you will represent a basic bodies block. This is the another part inside portion. Basic bodies block, you can continue this one. Basic bodies block, and this one dart, you can mention that shoulder dart to waist dart. This page is shoulder dart to waist dart measurement. You represent this. So you see the headline here with the color. Yes, this page is skirt pattern. Yes, one dart basic skirt. Whatever CBSE in this fashion studies book have mentioned, that is skirt pattern. Basic dart skirt pattern. You have to follow what is the rules. And this one is your product development. Product development is your creation. Like here, basically, we are using your fabric color. Some mood boards to inspiration. That's called is product development. And please mention this this heading like skirt pattern, product development. This is print development. Here I am showing you this one how you will inspire for Mayurpank. Mayurpank is in fashion industry. Fashion designer inspire a big way. So Mayurpank is the design that should be you can create something. So here I'm using Mayurpank. You can use another things. Okay, and this one is our inspired by the ancient dress culture. Here you can use a Rome, whatever the Roman garments, whatever the Greek civilization, these garments. Here is mentioned. Anyone you can take. This one, ancient dress. Of course, your inspiration, how these things inspire you. If it's possible to, please, you also exhibit some garments there, whatever your creation. This one is this one. Of course, this one is plackets. This is also one of the placket is in pattern portion. This is basic short plackets. Okay, so basic short placket. What is the process? Whatever, how will do this basic short placket? You have to continue this one. Basic short placket, your writing portion, and of course, if it's possible to, these things is using this one. Okay, basic short placket. This is also in pattern portion, pattern cutting portion is in third chapter. You will definitely will say this one. So these things also writing, and of course is possible to this one. So basic short placket theory, process, anything, whatever you can write down this one. Okay, this one is of course is the continuous placket. Okay, these things also you can use it here. Okay, so I think you can understand one by one page. That's how I'm using this one. This one is bias binding. Basically, what is the process of bias binding is basically neckline portion in bias cutting. How you will bias will bind. These things have to in the writing parts, and again I am telling you this way. Okay, so these things you have to use this one. Same things like okay, this one facing parts. Okay, shaped facing parts. Same writing parts, and of course you too have to highlight the heading. So whatever the examiner can understand this one. And this one just introduction about plackets. What is plackets? How many plackets there? You can write down. It's in placket. Okay, this, and of course this one is designing about the stenciling. Okay, that's one is design of the stenciling, how you use the stencil. You can use in another one fabric color, and this one basically your design, how will introduce this one. These things you have to continue. And this one is stencil painting, and another things is tie and dye process. Your tie and dye. Tie and dye means you can use their turmeric, you can use onion peels, natural dye. And this one, the last page, please you can mention in the first page whatever you're doing, one by one you can write down. Hope this video will help you a big way. Please write down your comments, how is help you these things. Okay, tata, bye bye. That's one.